Welcome to Bloomthink. We know that living in a global pandemic isn't easy. As long as you are following the quarantine and social distancing measures recommended by the CDC, everything will be okay. During this time, you have to work from home and signs of stress while you are working from home are coming. So, to avoid this thing here, we are going to tell you about the tips to control stress. 1. Set boundaries on work schedule. Create new routine by making schedule. When working from home, be sure that you are working reasonable hours. It can be tempting to work more while you have your work at home, however it can also be taxing on your health and well-being, so stick to a schedule with healthy boundaries. 2. Separate workplace. Try to separate your workplace from the rest of the house. Confining yourself to a corner of a locked room is never a good idea. This can have an adverse effect on your mental health. Avoid your bedroom. Keep your bedroom for sleep and relaxation only. 3. Get fresh air. The best time in the morning. Open your window to get sunlight and fresh air into your room and home space to start a better day. 4. Change your surroundings. The change in surroundings will help you focus on something different. If going outside isn't a viable option, move to a different room or background and get organized your desk. 5. Step away. Stepping away from the task you're working on is one of the fastest ways to bring stress levels down. You just take a few minutes can do the trick. 6. Stay connected. You are self-isolating at the moment doesn't mean that your social life has to stop even we can't meet up in person. As digital age, we can keep in touch with friends, family and colleagues via Messenger, WhatsApp and others, or call them from video call. 7. Stay healthy. Enough sleep, meditation, regular exercise, and good food. Because it's important for your physical and mental health to make sure you feed right, as this can affect your work performance,